Hello everyone, my friends. I am WeldMastar. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and show some support. Fire! Now, let's talk in the comments about this technique called spot wire feeding, or what I call double-side spot wire feeding. In my personal opinion, double-side wire feeding is the way to go in the future. It makes the weld bead fuller and the fusion stronger. That's exactly why we choose the double-side technique. Here's the main idea. Every time the molten pool opens up, move your filler wire to one side. Let the pool form. Then add a small spot of wire. When you move to the other side, open the pool again and add another spot. Each wire spot should be kept consistent in size for the best results. In real practice, everyone, even my buddy Mac, can try this method. When doing double-side spot welding, you don't always need to open a full molten pool. Just position your wire in the center and slightly toward the edge of the groove. Control it so the molten pool fuses perfectly with the bevel edge. That's enough. With this approach, you can get solid fusion without needing to open a large pool. Warning, but here's an important reminder when grinding or preparing the edge. Never grind it into a straight edge. If you do that and try to weld without opening the molten pool, the weld metal and groove might not fuse properly, and you'll end up with lack of fusion defects. That's just my personal take on it. Next time, I'll explain more about fusion control, but let's keep this short so it's easier to subscribe.